Yo, SALINA, this bitch about to get lit. What's up? What's up? Hey, cousins. Today, I'm going to do another makeup tutorial using Morphe 33502, the Second Nature palette. And I'm just going to do like an orange shimmer cut crease, you know, to match this scarf or whatever. So let's get right into the video. We ain't got no time to waste because we ain't got time for that today. I already primed my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color white. You already know the deal. Did my eyebrows up camera because the way they set up, they don't like each other like that. And I do my eyebrows like 3 times, y'all. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna take this brush from e.l.f. It's just the eye contour brush, and I'm gonna dip right into the color Ablaze. It is like an orange. I know I need my handy dandy. I'm gonna pat that. It's gonna go right above your crease, people. So you're gonna take Ablaze and go right above your crease. Okay? Gonna take Ablaze and go right above your crease. And I'm gonna just take this blending brush right here. It's just another blending brush from Wet n Wild. And I'm just blend that orange out a little bit. Even though I could have blended it out with the orange brush, but I just wanted to blend it out with a different brush. I don't know. I feel like do something different, a little bit different. You feel me though? Okay. And then now I'm done with the orange. Now we're gonna go take this Motomata brush, period. We're gonna take this Motomata and we're gonna dip into heat. You liking what you see? Hey, all that is gonna be hey. And it's just like a, I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's just like a deeper orange right there. Right there. It's called heat, and I'm gonna put that in the crease of my eye. So that's like that, and then now I'm gonna do the cut crease. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color white. And I'm gonna get this brush from, where is it from? It's a flat eyeliner brush from e.l.f. And then we just gonna put a little bit on the tip of the brush. You don't wanna F up what you just did or whatever. So I'm gonna just, well, hopefully this ain't a lot because I ain't got time for it today. Then you're just gonna take a little bit more and put it on the brush for the other side. Like so, like that. And now I'm gonna take my Black Radiance setting powder in the color B-A-N-A-N-A-S. And then I'm gonna use my Dollar Tree sponge just to set down that concealer. Be on the down. I love you, mama. Then now I'm gonna take this brush right here. This brush right here. It's from Motomata. And then I'm gonna just dip. Sauce is like a gold orange shimmer like that. and we're gonna put it right on the cut crease. And I think I'm gonna spray a little bit of this water right here on there because it takes forever for it to pick up sometimes. The pigment takes forever to pick up, so you just want another. So then the same for the other eye. And that is it. That is all she wrote for that look. Then we're gonna take. I'm gonna use this. My first time using my foundation from Black Radiance. I am in the color Dark Chocolate, and I'm gonna just slather that on my face. I don't like this right here because I feel like they can do better. I feel like they can upgrade or something. Like either make this like a different type of slab thingy. Like the way that is doing that, I don't know. Like y'all can do all that money, and y'all act like y'all can't do better, okay? Period. I don't know, but then I'm gonna take my Wet Beauty, a blender from the Real Techniques, and start buffing that out. Get all up there in your forehead. Okay, pretty much done with that. Make sure I blend it as far down as you can. And then now I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. Y'all already know the deal. I'm gonna have to go get some more of this. Okay, now we're done with that. I'm gonna let that sit a little bit. Then we're gonna take Black Radiance Contour Palette. Black Radiance Contour Palette. Then we're gonna take my contour brush from Wet n Wild. You can get this brush from Dollar Tree, your local drugstore, whatever you wanna. And then I'm gonna just start putting my contour down, okay? And then I'm gonna take this brush right here. It's another, it's an contour brush, concealer brush, but I just use it because I was gonna use it. So I'm gonna use that brush to carve out your nose contour. Use my eyebrow while I'm at it. Okay. Now, pretty much done with that. Done with the nose. I'm gonna go back to my sponge and then I'm gonna get this same brush and just blend out and that is pretty much it. I'm gonna take the same, I'm gonna take this brown pencil and eyeliner on my lip. I'm gonna do a little highlight too and just take the color out of here. I think I'm gonna take Vacation. I'm gonna just put a little bit right there with my finger because I don't wanna. And then I just take my sponge. I'm gonna just take the same one that I just highlighted and pat it out a little bit. Foundation, period. I think I'm gonna just take the same pencil and I'm gonna take Madeline And that is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already here. You might as well do that. You came this far, boo-boo. I do read the comments. I do look at everybody, you know, stuff. And don't forget, well, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. SALINA out there, bitch. Stay lit.